So let's get going. We have this table here, and now let's do a COUNTIFS. We want to count the team blue people. So we're going to do a COUNTIFS, and we're going to count in here the people who have blue. So there's two people. And now we're going to find the age of Alberto with a VLOOKUP. So we're going to do a VLOOKUP, and we're going to find Alberto within this range. And we want to return the age, which is the fifth column. We're going to do false because we want an exact match. And Alberto is 28. That's correct. Now we want to return just all engineers. So we're just going to do filter. And we're going to filter the whole table. And the condition is going to be that the role equals engineer. It's going to return a data package. We're going to just expand it for a little bit to see what's inside. There you go. Return just engineers, which are John and Alberto. John and Anne, of course. John and Anne. Just going to go back to it and leave it there. Bam, bam. And now we want to return a table with name, team, role of people with tenure 3 sorted by age ascending. This is a bit more complex, but I'm going to run the query here, and this is the data that you want. And now we're going to do select. So we want the name, so column A, so team, which is column B, and the role, which is column C, of people where tenure, which is D, equals 3. Sort by, order by E ascending. So let's see if we nail that one and expand it as well. So people with tenure 3, so that's Alberto and Inés, that's correct. And we sorted by age ascending, so Alberto first, then Anne, and then Inés, that is correct. Okay, let's just delete this table and keep the package, right? So we have this data package here so that you can actually inspect all of the data and you can do more complex operations with JSON to return data. And finally, we want to use the natural language to return a table with name, team, and role of people with tenure 3 sorted by age ascending. Okay, we want to do the same thing. So let's do ask OpenAI, right? And the prompt is going to be, so return a JSON. So we want complex data, right? With name, team, and role of the records with tenure 3 sorted by age ascending. For the input JSON, right, we gotta give it the input for the input JSON. And now I'm gonna do arrange the JSON, so I'm gonna actually pick up that table. I'm gonna say that that's the header and that this is the data, right? I'm gonna run this thing with OpenAI and see what OpenAI finds. Okay, it returned the data. Let's expand this a little bit and see what's inside. Expand. Okay, so we did return the same people and it did return sorted correctly. Okay, but it did return the column age and it did return the column tenure, which we did not ask for. So it did find out what we wanted, but it did return a little bit more data than we wanted. So we can see that OpenAI is good, but still doesn't understand the full thing. And that is it with queries.